Let's take a look at this Victorinox pocket knife. That's how it looks. It's Swiss made officer's knife watch opener, 84 mm. This costs around 750 rupees or $10 or so. This has a nice weight to it. With a really sharp knife. It says officer Swiss. Victorinox Swiss made stainless steel. And on this side you get a letter opener. It's also quite chunky, so you can use it to pry open stuff. It's not sharp, but it has a edge to it, so you could use it to pry open stuff. And it has a tweezer. And a toothpick. It has 4 tools. From now on, this will be the official package opener for this channel. The package opener got rusty, that's why I'm replacing this with it, because this is stainless steel. It won't get rusty like the package opener. Really well made, quite nice. Check it out. I really want to see what's inside. It would be really amazing if it was layered like a cake on the inside too. It will be just white, I think. I feel bad for doing this, but I really want to. That's how the insides look. It is quite tricky to cut. It is quite tricky to cut. It just keeps stretching, doesn't want to cut.